Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located under the paneling. To take out the front panel, remove the plastic rivets indicated here. This model didn't have all of its front panel rivets. A special tool may be required, but these rivets in particular can be removed by carefully applying pressure with a small flathead screwdriver. Here's a close-up of the rivet. Once the rivet is raised, you can safely pull it out with some force. With all the rivets gone, the front panel can be easily pulled off. The air filter is located here. There are 3 fasteners securing the housing. Unclip and remove the housing panel. The 4th corner has a tab that needs to slide out of the catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF3996 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Replace the top panel by aligning it with the rivet holes. If you removed it, reinstall the battery access panel. Reinstall the panel under the hydraulic arm. The rivets can be reinstalled when both panels are aligned. Once all of the rivets are installed and the panels are secure, close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.